Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Vocabulary Beginner Level Quiz. Select the word that means smart. Funny, shy, clever. Clever. Which word means the same as friend? Enemy, pal, rival. Pal. What is the opposite of slow? Fast, still, steady, fast. Which word means the same as happy? Sad, joyful, angry. Joyful. What is the opposite of empty? Full, clear, poor. Full. Which word means the same as bright? Dull, shiny, dark. Shiny. What is the opposite of wet? Moist, damp, dry. Dry. Which word means the same as fearful? Brave, afraid, beautiful. Afraid. What is the opposite of noisy? Quiet, loud, talkative. Quiet. If you want to talk to someone far away, what do you use? Phone, book, chair. Phone. Which answer is a fruit? Lettuce, potato, apple. Apple. What do you call the season between winter and summer? Snowing, spring, scary. Spring. What do you call a flying insect that can bite and cause itching? Butterfly, gnat, mosquito. Mosquito. What do you call the shiny objects in the night sky? Clouds, moons, Stars. Stars. What do you use to remove pencil marks on paper? Pen, eraser, marker. Eraser. What is the opposite of tiny? Small, smallest, huge, huge. If you feel warm, what is the opposite sensation? Hot, cold, freezing, cold. What is the name for a place where you can buy and eat food? School, restaurant, museum. Restaurant. What do you call a baby cat? Kitten, pup, cub, kitten. If you want to travel by air, what do you use? Boat, plane, feathers, plane.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.